season for New York Red Bulls. Could benefit from this involvement. And they've got a chance here to maybe, well, we thought they had a chance. Robocop was flagged offside. He steamed through the centre. And now getting involved in a little bit of nastiness with Lisandro Lopez.
Yeah, must have been by a whisker as that ball's being very, very close. That wasn't the best angle to see, but I always thought it was close.
Still time for the Portuguese giants of Benfica. Goes a deflection, he'll take the corner.
Never afraid to pull the trigger, Talisca. We've seen it, of course. I thought this was going to be a good one, but was a player getting in the way of that.
The time running out, they take it quickly. Oh, Lisandro Lopez arrived. With everyone having their eye on the ball, he seemed to arrive unnoticed.
Yeah, you're absolutely spot on. That's exactly what I was going to say, so I'll give you credit for that. Nobody saw him coming right there.